Imagine yourself in the midst of your garden, and your garden gloves with claws become the secret weapons, effortlessly tackling soil, planting bulbs, and creating the landscape of your dreams. Crafted with the expertise of a seasoned gardener, this pair is set to make your gardening experience as seamless as a well-nurtured flower bed. It's like having a personal gardening assistant, always there to unfold its horticultural magic as you nurture your botanical haven. Now, let's delve into adaptability. These aren't just gloves for occasional use. They are the solution for your daily gardening needs, ensuring that your hands are not only protected, but also equipped for every planting task. It's like having a versatile companion that adapts to your gardening lifestyle. No more struggling with separate tools or dealing with the limitations of traditional gloves. But what sets these clawed gloves apart? It's not just about protection. It's about adding a touch of innovation to your gardening routine. No more compromises on precision or dealing with the hassle of switching between gloves and tools. Garden gloves with claws are here to make every planting task a delight, folding neatly into a compact size when not in use. It's like having gloves that understand the art of practicality with a gardener's touch. Moreover, these gloves are a space-saving genius. In a world where every inch of your gardening shed matters, they are the horticultural virtuosos that discreetly fold into your tool drawer or hang conveniently, always ready to unfold when your garden beckons. It's like having a personal gardening organizer, ensuring you stay on top of your planting game without sacrificing precious gardening space. But wait, there's more. Garden gloves with claws are also your ticket to durability. Crafted from sturdy materials, they are designed to withstand the challenges of soil, rocks, and roots without compromising their clawed nature. It's like having gloves that not only protect your hands, but also stand up to the rigors of your flourishing garden. In conclusion, garden gloves with claws aren't just accessories. They are the unsung heroes of your gardening endeavors. Their innovative design, adaptability, and space-saving features make them a must-have for anyone who wants to add a touch of efficiency to their gardening routine. So unfold, dig into the soil with ease, and let the gardening magic begin. That is it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.